Up, got the new bumper brackets laying out. Got a pile of parts here cleaned up, all set out. And one of the ugliest cars ever made. Yeah, Pontiac Aztec. Very spacious ride though. So yeah, got all my parts cleaned up. Hopefully get back on this thing. Hopefully I'm in frame. I don't got my personal screen, so we'll see how it works out. But I'm gonna try to get this all marked up, ready to chop off this horn. I was thinking about it, that I could have pulled it up and straightened it back out with some heat. Might as well just replace the horn. It's nothing integral to the truck, just really holds the bumper. What is this, 3/16 or so, maybe less than that. Go through, I gotta get my welder back up here. I got it in the other shop. All it holds is the bumper bracket and the tow hook. This truck shouldn't be seeing much off-road. Nice new personal vehicle. We're gonna get back to business here. Hopefully get something done today. Well, I don't know if you can see that little halogen light there. I got distracted because the FedEx guy showed up. On the winter rollback, I had two of those little lights where that big light bar is. But as you can see, this new light bar, I had to replace it real quick. Does the job. As you can see everything. Got that one and two small 6-inch ones down below on the tail bar. Now I can see everything I need to. Thank you, UPS guy, for getting my parts on time. Now my truck's ready for night work. But it's getting dark. It's about 5:30. As you can see, sun's going down. Probably gonna call it an early night. Again, my infatuation with light bars. Nothing better than them out there. But yeah, like I said, I'm probably gonna call it a night, get this upload up. Short video. Hopefully tomorrow I have some more time and I can get some more things done. I got some final measurements on the frame rails. Gotta get my welder up here. And we should be in business. Get ready to get that frame whacked and replaced. And get some moves made on the 13 Silverado. Have a good one, guys. Catch you next time.